Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. That's something.
Snow Squall was located along a line extending from Gallatin to St. Clairsville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, flash freeze on roads. Intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility.
What the hell? Stop cutting out.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes Interstate 99 for mile markers 4 to 41. Locations impacted include Altoona, Hollidaysburg, Roaring Spring, New Enterprise, Martinsburg, Lakemont, Bellwood, Crescent, Gallatin, Claysburg, Williamsburg, and Duncansville. Wet roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for a sudden loss of traction. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall.
Let me check 89.1.
The following are unofficial observations taken during the past 16 hours for the storm that has been affecting our region. Appreciation is extended to cooperators and rigorous observers.
Tested elections in New
Nope.
Hampshire. Rusty
These
J.
reports. This summary also
I might put. Yo, I have not seen snow squall warning in a bit. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna put this on 4 and then. Then I'm just gonna put this one on 7.
Little or no snow accumulation. Lows in the lower 20s.
Wow. Well, wow. Snow squall warning. Shit. And yes, there will be cuts in the video because of this thing trying to update. Which I'll have to do that in a minute.